clean girl look. Let's do that. Alright guys, I gotta admit, I've been really obsessed with this clean girl, no makeup look, and I've been doing this daily because it's just so easy. It looks like it's no makeup, but actually gonna wear some makeup, but it's just very clean and glowy and dewy and trending makeup look now. So without any further ado, let's do it. So first things first, we're gonna start from a clean skin. I literally just cleanse my skin using the Beauty makeup removing pad. I just activated with water, nothing else. Towel dried my face. That's it. Step 2 is a skincare, the prep. Super important. You want to have this dewy looking skin. You gotta prep your skin for applying the makeup. So let's do that first. I want my skin to look hydrated and dewy, so I'm gonna go with the Nip and Fab Hydrate set. This one is a hydrate concentrate. Okay, step 2, I'm gonna use a Nip and Fab Hydrate Hyaluronic Fix Hydrating Serum. I told you I'm gonna go with a full-on skincare routine. Step 3, what I'm gonna use is a Nip and Fab Hyaluronic Acid Hydrate Cream. So I just use all these products in a row. It even recommends to use like this, like I did, like concentrate, serum, and then a cream. So this is what I do. So before I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and while I'm doing my eyebrows, I'm gonna apply the Nip and Fab Hyaluronic Fix under eye patches. Do the eyebrows first, so I'm gonna brush it up using this spoolie. This one is by Beauty. I always like to brush it to the place how I want it to be. Applying the product, I feel like it just speeds up the process. So I'm using the NYX brow glue. Oh wait, I'm filming again in my bathroom, as you can see. I like this NYX brow gel, it's just super easy to use and a bit faster than a soap. So to fill this in, I'm gonna use a NYX Lift and Snatch Nespresso. I'm just going in between my eyebrows when I'm missing my hair. That's it. Like I'm not going filling in everywhere. So I don't need that, just these kind of empty gaps, and then in the front to fill this in like nicer. Okay, let's go in with SPF. I'm just quickly massage the axis left under. I'm gonna use this one today. I actually posted a little video with my favorite SPFs. Alright, next step is like a contour slash foundation, but it's not really. We're gonna contour eyes and everything. I'm telling you, it's like a super easy look. For the actual foundation, it's not really foundation, it's a tinted moisturizer, SPF 30. Yes, we're adding more SPF. It's by Mina. I'm using the color 613. Love it, it gives this dewiness. Because it's a moisturizer, I'm gonna apply the moisturizer, but then I'm gonna tap it into the place with a brush. It's gonna give us more coverage, although it's not really much coverage. Well, this foundation smells like marshmallows. I'm like serious. So see, I'm using my ring finger around the eye area. I don't want it to be too harsh, but literally do the same thing I would do with the moisturizer, like face cream. Taking that flat hat foundation brush by Beauty and just gonna press this in. So I'm gonna do some like highlighting and contouring using the cream products. So I'm gonna use the concealer by Ilia. This one is the True Skin Serum Concealer in the Arrowroot. Just gonna tap some on. Once again, blend with my fingers first and then press with the brush in. Go on the brow arch, and the eye corner there. Gonna sculpt a bit using this middle of the eyelid around the nose. Trust the process. Sculpt the cheeks a bit. Clean hands, obviously. I think it's not questionable. Okay, time for brush. Once again, press it in, not buffing. Okay, cream contour number 2, the actual contour. This one is by Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite in C12. Keep this off underwear. Now we're gonna do contour in here. Go to eyes as well. Once again, fingers first, and then a brush. As you see, I went like diagonal rather than straight with a darker contour, because I want to lift my face rather than it looking rounder. Tap it in with a brush. A bit of a blush. This one is by Sierra. I'm gonna do some on my hands. Tap some on the fingers again. See, I'm going again diagonal and way much higher than you would expect the blush to be. Just because, once again, I want my face to look lifted. Now blending with the ring finger and full on, because I don't want to move anything what's underneath. Later gonna press it in with the brush again, to the nose. Brush again. Using the It Cosmetics Loose by Pores Translucent Setting Powder, the setting brush by Bay Beauty. Gonna dip some in. And lightly set it under the eyes, kind of like a triangle, in a place where I don't want this to be shiny, because as you see in this foundation cream, it's like a very dewy one. The base is very dewy. This is where I want this to be matte. Look at the difference already. See this? Shiny? Not shiny. So this is what I'm setting, and I'm gonna set the eyelids as well, for that matter, because we're gonna contour the eyes a little bit more with the powder. But the contour itself, I'm not gonna be adding more. I want this to look like this, nice and dewy, like very clean looking. So on the eyes as well. Basically, I'm adding a powder when I don't want to look dewy, so like under my nose, because it just looks like a just random marathon. I'm sweating, I have a sweaty lip, so I don't want to have that. So that's what I do is a bit in the middle of the chin. I also have oily skin, so that's why I'm adding some powder. It's a little tiny, so we're not overly greasy looking. I mean dewy, that's the word, right? Alright guys, we're nearly done. Let's do the eyes. So for the eyes, I'm actually gonna use the contour powder rather than the actual eyeshadow, because why not, right? So I'm using the Revolution Pro bronzing powder, sculpting bronzer in Cacao. I'm not gonna actually bronze my cheeks more. I think camera doesn't transfer properly through the contour, because in the real life the contour is very much there, but I think on the camera it just looks lighter, because camera always takes everything like lighter for some reason, if you know what I mean. Like, I need to do stronger makeup for you guys to see through a camera, but trust me, in the real life this looks... Okay, so for the contour, for the eye contour, I'm just gonna use a universal base brush by Beauty. That's my brand for those who don't know. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go out the corner, kind of like lifting the eye up. That makes sense. Buffing your shadow in. Like that. That makes sense? Diagonal, that's the word. Alright, so kind of going diagonal, and then I'm blending it inwards, a bit like in a C shape. Just creating a definition to my eye, I mean, you know what I mean? And I'm taking a bit more, tapping the excess off. I'm gonna go in here like we would do a cut crease. Can I have more, kinda, just in here. That's it. I'm kinda gonna go and contour my walls a bit more. See what I'm doing? I have the tiniest bit of a powder on the brush. Alright, so the eyes already kind of looks lifted. I want this to be even looking more lifted, so I'm gonna use the same eyebrow pen I used before for like a gentle eyeliner. It's in a brown color, I mean it's in a espresso color, but it's kind of that brown. So I'm just gonna go with a flick. Okay, let's go with mascara. First I'm gonna curl my lashes quickly. Okay, so for mascara I'm going with my current favorite. It's the Ciate Triple Shot XXL Mascara. It's like a nice lengthening mascara. Alright, so lower lashes, I'm actually leaving the way it is. I'm not doing anything else. Mascara just on the top lashes, so that will give us, you know, like a lighter look. Let's do a bit of a highlighter. I'm gonna do some faux freckles as well, and then a lippy. And we are done. So for highlighter, I'm gonna use the Dewy Highlighter by Ciate. Okay, so I'm gonna take some on my hand first. Gonna kinda do this a bit. Melt it up a bit. I'm not gonna go straight away to my face because you see how intense it is. And then what I'm doing, I'm taking the highlighter brush. Yep, you heard it correctly. I'm taking a cream product with the highlighter brush, just like that. You see? And I'm gonna go like this on. And that will give you like the nicest glass skin looking effect. On a hand, melt it up, and then on the brush. Nose. Okay, Fox Freckles, I'm going to use the Edit Paris Brow Hero in the color Perfect. This is actually for the brows, but the shade is just perfect for the Fox Freckles. Just gonna randomly dot. So the reason I'm doing the Fox Freckles, well, first of all, I really love it. I love the look of Fox Freckles. Second, it kind of gives this, you know, illusion that you're not wearing any makeup because your freckles are so, you know, visible. So as you see, I just make some dots and pat it on. I'm gonna do some more dots. I'm also dotting on purpose, like I'm kind of contouring my nose with this, not just doing random dots. If you noticed, not doing like in one line, but I'm placing them on purpose. For the lips, we want to kind of show the lips, but we want this to be super clean and like dewy looking, so hence we're gonna go with a gloss. I'm gonna use a nude looking gloss. This one is by Mina. I'm gonna use the lip liner and a gloss in the same shade in the 503. Lip liner lips. And then fill in with a gloss, it's the same shade, nicely. And that looks complete. What do you guys think? Yeah, let me know what you guys think of this clean girl makeup look. Honestly, it's super easy to create and takes me 15 minutes in the mornings to do this makeup look because it's just, I mean, there's not much going on if you think of it. So that's why it's so fast. The video was obviously slower because I was telling you what I'm doing. I was doing it slower than I would do normally just because I'm so used to that. I actually noticed I forgot to prime my skin this time. I don't know why. I know why actually. Because I usually film and do my makeup in my studio where I have my makeup like in front of me, and because I'm filming this video in a bathroom because I wanted to use the natural light, I literally bring product by product to here, you know, to film with you. So I forgot to bring my primer when I came to the bathroom, so hence I forgot it. Normally I just use the hydrating primer, but when I use at the moment is the Ciara watermelon one. I think it's called hydrating primer. But because we did this all full-on skin prep and you know we moisturize the skin so much, it still looks very dewy and very like no makeup clean girl look. So yeah, let me know what you think. If you're gonna go and create this look, tag me in your pictures, videos. I wanna see that. You guys make my day every time you do that. If you enjoyed watching this video, as always, don't forget to press the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more. Let me know what you think, and yeah, I shall see you soon. So thank you so much for watching. Bye! Have a fabulous day, guys. Ciao!